Hi, this is Billy from Glenn's Quality Cars, and this is our 2012 Holden Commodore SV6. This car is black in colour, in excellent condition, and a Series 2. All the alloy wheels are in excellent condition and all the tyres are great as well. There are no dents or marks on the body. The previous owner looked after it very well. It was just traded to us so he could purchase an SS Ute just for work purposes. Yeah, he's done a very good job of keeping it in good condition. Driver's seat's excellent as well, no bolster wear or anything like that. You've got the IQ2 system. So this has Bluetooth and it's also got a reverse camera. You can also do Bluetooth audio streaming, so you can play music from your phone. You've also got dual zone climate control. 129,000 Ks on the clock. We do have the service history for this car as well. This car really is in excellent condition. There's nothing to point out on it. Please give us a call at 4577 6133. We're at 3 Groves Avenue, Mulgrave. Thanks for watching.